Bruschetta is an antipasto from Italy. You know the bruschetta is many different toppings, but today I'm going to make 3 different toppings. The first one is a traditional, the second one mushroom and onions, and the last one prosciutto and ricotta cheese. To start with garlic bread. What you need for garlic bread? You need a breadstick and garlic and grill pan. So I'm going to cut the bread into like thin slices. I think it takes around 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter. How to make garlic bread is so easy. And heat the pan on an over medium heat and let the pan is very hot, and then grill your bread on the pan about 2 minutes each side, and then after that just wrap with the garlic and then dissolve with the olive oil.
Bruschetta di pomodori.
Alright, I'm going to make the traditional bruschetta. So these are toppings. There are the 2 ingredients, tomatoes and basils. Just chop the tomatoes into small pieces, and I'm going to chop the basils. I need the 4 or 5 leaves. And some balsamic vinegar. Salt and pepper. Olive oil. Okay, that's it. Put the toppings on the garlic bread. And dissolve some olive oil.
Bruschetta con funghi e cipolle.
Prepare the mushroom and onions in the same method. You just add some oils in the pan and saute onions in the pan. Keep stirring and let the onions caramelize, and then keep stirring until you get the onions softened and brown.
Cook the mushrooms in the hot oil and saute mushrooms until golden.
Place onions, and then the second one is mushroom and a little bit herb, parsley, and the same olive oil.
Bruschetta con prosciutto e ricotta.
And the last one, prosciutto and ricotta cheese. Place around 1 teaspoon of the ricotta cheese and dissolve some balsamic vinegar. And prosciutto, I like to roll the prosciutto and garnish with rocket, olive oil, You can serve bruschettas for your entree or antipasto. That's good for your platter. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy my video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Comfy Cozy Kitchen with Jari. And if you like to look at the full recipe, please visit my website, comfycozykitchen.com. And thank you again guys. See you next time. Bye!